Hey, what's up guys? My name's Jared if you don't already know me. Excuse this ugly ass yellow light over there, but today we're gonna be meeting out with my buddy Kevin, and then we're gonna go hit the car wash, and then maybe after that we'll go for a drive or something. But I'll give you guys a quick cold start and then let's head out. 100%. Neighbors are not gonna like this one. It's already like 10. Okay, let's get on the road, guys. What's up, homie in the BRZ? Fuck that VPD, man. I don't want to go this way. I've seen so many cars get pulled over. I've been pulled over many times by VPD. Honestly, they just ding you for anything. Like, I was just minding my own business and fuck, this guy took a U-turn on Kingsway and just dinged me with a no plate ticket. Whenever there's an underpass like that, I cannot help myself from doing that. It's just too much fun. Who's that guy? Yo! That's Kevin. If you guys didn't know that already. Let's go pump some gas. Dirty as fuck. What's up, your racer?
What's up, vlog? What's up, guys? How's it going?
Oh, you should lick the handle. I'll give you 20 bucks.
Fuck that.
Ooh, buddy, got the EcoBoost Mustang.
That's a fucking racer right there. I spray it.
Make sure you shoot on the ground. This is probably gonna be the cheapest fill up in history. Fuck, I spilled gas on my car. Whatever, it'll fucking evaporate. Let's head to Royal Oak.
Yeah, let's go.
Now we're on our way to the car wash. I've gotten pulled over here. I was going a little bit too fast, but honestly, that guy was a fucking dickhead. Want a race? Yeah. This is just Vancouver things. That last minute left turn though. Hopefully you guys noticed the difference in quality and that I fixed the camera angle. Yeah, but I got a GoPro Hero 7 Black. Yeah, I was gonna get the Hero 8, but like honestly, spending the extra money wasn't that justified in my opinion.
active. Are you up again?
Lately, shit been kinda rough for me. Yeah, would you leave me all alone? Would you ever try to run from me? Yeah, all this shit that I do, I don't think it's really good for me. Yeah, I think you the only thing that really good for me. Really good for me. I've been down bad, I've been in the dirt. All these things you telling me, they really fucking hurt. Niggas switch sides on me, now that shit hurt. Was walking down the street, saw a nigga take a purse. Sometimes I wonder where they go in the hearse. Do these souls move on to stay on earth? When my grandma died, so that shit was the worst. Every time I dream, so that shit was a curse. But you know I stay low with the gang, rep it. Need some Gucci, think I need a chain. All these niggas pussy, don't care what they think. When they get the check, I'll need a new bang. And a rolling in a couple other things.
I mean, it's 80% clean. It's not like 100%. Looks like good enough. Is that a legal window tint?
For the money and deposits, I'm a slave.
What are we doing?
Now we go, I don't fucking know. Go for a rip.
Go for a rib. Honestly, there's like nothing to do right now. Like, we're bored as fuck. This is why we're making videos.
We honestly have nothing to do right now. There's not much to do right now.
Yeah. So, maybe take a few photos and get the fuck out of here. Can you just say what you just said for the camera, please?
No, not at all.
Kevin just said in 2 years he's gonna buy F80 M3.
Yeah, hopefully.
Is that correct?
Yeah, hopefully.
The Genesis will hopefully be in the grave by then.
Yeah, it'll be fucking 6 feet under.
Alright, I guess this is our wrap for today. I guess I'll see you tomorrow.
Alright, see you tomorrow.
Got coronavirus now. Gotta sanitize our hands. One quick important thing. You already know, hand sanitizer. Trying to get better at editing, putting videos together, you know. As for a hobby, I actually really enjoy it. Like, I made my first video yesterday, and honestly, fuck, I went out and spent $400 on a new GoPro. I just like enjoy going out with my friends, driving my car, like anything to do with cars except working on them, because we don't know shit about working on cars. But yeah, this Corona shit honestly got the roads empty as fuck. This is like an insane opportunity to drive your car, like, and just enjoy cruising, like listening to music. Like, it doesn't really get any better. Like I said, it's like real life Need for Speed. Little poll here for the fucking boys. Actually, not for the boys, for everyone. BPD is waging a war on modified cars because apparently one officer, I'm not gonna name who, but apparently he got blackmailed by this guy who had a car. Like, the guy would like leaked his like email address, home address, phone number, like everything. And then yeah, so basically like that's how the beef started. Stock M4s are getting like vehicle inspections. But like the way vehicle inspections work are like, there's like a box 1, which is like, oh, it's not that serious. I think it's like 14 days to get it fixed before like you can't drive it anymore. Or is it 30 days? I don't know. But like box 1 is the best. Box 2 is like middle, which is like, I think for a box 2, you have 7 days to get your car fixed and like roadworthy, or else you can't drive it, or I mean you can't like reinsure it, right? And then there's like box 3, which is like they fucking take your license, your plates right there, and like put your car on like a flatbed and like say bye-bye. Like, you can't even drive it on the road anymore until you get it fixed, like roadworthy. But yeah, it kind of sucks liking cars in Vancouver. Oh, the car scene's pretty dead here. honestly, like the exhaust has started to grow on me. Like especially after getting the secondary catalytic, it just like opened it up to like another world. And also unplugging the valves, so like it's stuck on permanent like loudest mode now. Gas is always so expensive here. I don't know why. Like, I never buy gas from here. Like, these guys are honestly robbers. What's this like 40-year-old man right beside me doing right now? Like, bro, are you on your way to pick up some hookers or like what? Well, I'm back now. Excuse my dusty ass hair, but like none of us can get haircuts, and I was fucking wearing the GoPro headband. What can you do, right? I guess that's it for today. I'll have more content tomorrow. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
No, sometimes I just wish that you would listen. She just took a sip of Henny, now I think she tripping. She can't even talk cause I think her tongue twisted. Smoking on the gas, yeah, it really got me lifted. No, I don't wanna talk, what's the difference? Lately shipping different, I know that I sparked your interest. I'm a young CEO, you do as I say so. I don't wanna talk unless you're talking about those pesos. Wait, I ain't leave a trace. You know when I pull up, I'ma fuck up the whole place. I sip Henny straight, I don't really need a chaser. If she acting up, I told her I could replace her.